Today we're shooting a video with Ruwac's 110 volt DuoVac. This is a combination of two of our WS2320 Red Raider 110 volt machines going into a bulk collector unit, which is going to allow us to pick up some trash from rail cars, subways, and parking lots and put it right into our bulk collection system. We're using a 4-inch hose with a gulper tool, and again, this is the 110 volt system. We got rags, we have newspapers, plastic bags, soda cans, more rags, old leaves, now all this material collects into our bulk collector, which is very easy to empty. Got a fibrous bag in here, and you'll see all that material, including the bottles, is all collected into this fibrous bag. So that's been a review of Ruwac's 110 volt DuoVac with a bulk collector picking up trash.